Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Friends, tell me one thing, who is that person who doesn't want to be confident English speaker? All of us, we have started our journey just because of having this single thought that we want to be confident English speaker. We want to express ourselves in front of others, especially the strangers. Having said that, we can't say that we have that much guts to go in public to speak out loud and express ourselves. We don't have that much gut. Then how we can be confident in this language? This is the thing. If you are also watching this video, then just because of you also want to be confident English speaker. Okay, no matter you are going to meet your friend or you are going to meet any stranger person or you are going to speak in front of public more than 2 or 3 4 5, okay, or you're going to present any kind of your presentation, okay, then there must be one thing that you need to have is your confidence level, and you must have that confidence level so that you can sound like a confident English speaker. There shouldn't be any kind of hesitation on your face and you speak in a flow. In fact, I can say you have to just go in that flow. You have to speak very calmly. There shouldn't be any kind of expression on your face that you are putting so many efforts. And this is the thing, when you will achieve, when you will acquire, okay, then you can say that yes, now I can say I am a confident English speaker and I can speak in front of others without any hesitation, without any kind of fear. But friends, however, friends, I'm just saying that it's not that much easy. It's not that much easy, but we have to do that thing. Irrespective of fear, we have to go. We have to put ourselves in that particular situation where we have to speak. Because friends, we know that thing since our childhood, okay, we have heard, and it's our life experience. If we want to be perfect in any kind of thing, then we have to take on only actions. Our actions makes us perfect in any kind of thing. If we want to be perfect in any kind of skill, then we need to take only actions. We need to do only practice a lot. No one on this earth bonds with that thing, confidence. Confidence always comes from practice with consistency. If we do have any kind of distraction in our path, because sometimes just because of having distraction, we just this way our concentration, it will be lost. But we don't need to do that. Okay, all of us, especially the housewife, whoever having this thought that to become fluent in this language, especially confident speaker, so just have this thought in your mind and each and every day try to work on it. And you know friends, I have talked with so many ladies and gents so far, and I got to know one thing. All of them, they want to become fluent in this language as well as they want to be confident. They always want to save them from that action, from that opportunity that will make them perfect, that will make them confident. But no, they don't want to put them in that particular situation where they have to speak with their friends and with some strangers too. But I must say, if you are losing all those opportunities, you are not making opportunities. You have to create opportunities for them. You have to take steps for you. No one is going to help you. Why are you not serious about this? If you want to be serious, okay, if you want to be confident, then take actions. Take actions towards your goal. There's so many apps are there, and all of them, okay, each and every app provide 25 minutes free. Use them, and without going to speak, at least first of all just think about it, what you are going to speak. And always while speaking, try to keep your pace of speaking slowly, not too fast, not too slow, medium, okay. It will be good for you. There is no need to rush, okay, because sometimes when people try to speak so fast, then they make mistakes, and it's genuine thing, okay. If we try to keep if we try to speak so fast, then our mind, it doesn't get time to think, because if we won't think, then how could we express? There should be some time, we should give some time to think. Okay, and how we can think? We have to speak slowly. We don't need to think like, we don't need to do like that. First we have to speak, first we speak first line, then think. No, there's not any kind of action. It is, you have to think while speaking. Okay, and you have to also speak. Okay, so that's why I'm saying that thing. You have to keep your pace of speaking medium, and after that, before speaking, okay, just give yourself some time on which topic you're going to speak, and just do some preparation, at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Give yourself and try to prepare yourself so that you can speak very calmly without putting any extra effort. And one thing you must implement while speaking: don't try to show others that you are really very good. Okay, and for this you start using fancy words. Okay, it's okay, you also want to implement all those words in your speaking, especially when you are doing public speaking. Then this practice must be denied, because only just because of our overconfidence we lose everything. Okay, so there's no need to show our extra confidence. Confidence is okay, but becoming overconfident, it's not good for us and for others too. So okay, there is no need to use only advanced structures, and along with that, you have to do only one thing, that whenever you are going to speak, try to speak in that flow. Even if you make mistakes, then don't put your attention only to mistakes. Just go in the flow and speak whatever you want to speak. Yeah, if you are getting your mistake, then it's okay, another time you will remove it. But for this time, don't be anxious just because of making one single mistake, because sometimes people, when they make mistake, they get mistake, then just stop. They try to correct that mistakes, and in this way they are making the same sentence again and again, and in this way their whole process of presenting themselves is going to be wrong. So there's no need to do this. Having some knowledge and along with some confidence. And one thing you can also do whenever you're going to start your presentation, or if you're going to speak with any person, just take some deep breaths so that you will get oxygen, and your mind, okay, it will also get so much oxygen, and your mind, it will get blood, and it will get pure blood, and by this blood it will get oxygen, and when our mind, it will get more oxygen, then it will think more than our capacity. Because that's why these days all the yoga teachers, okay, they prefer meditation. So you can do that thing in order to becoming a concentrated person, because there is one thing which we are losing each day, and every day by day we are losing our concentration just because of scrolling through this on social media. So you must avoid this thing and just take some deep breath and have a perfect way to present yourself. All these things are important, and if you are doing all those things, then no one can stop you from becoming a confident English speaker. And I'm too trying to. And one thing I always would like to tell you, don't be anxious about anything. If you will make some mistakes, okay, then don't be anxious. It's normal to make mistakes. There shouldn't be any kind of anxiety on your face. And because I want all of us to be happy, because if we are really very happy, we are happy from our heart, we are making ourselves happy, it means we are doing good, we are doing really good things. And it will also help others too. And friends, we will meet again in the next video. Till then,